I knew that I was yours. Every time you cradled me in your loving arms, every time you tried to sing to me, and every lullaby, you would look into my eyes and tell me, precious, I'm so blessed to have you in my life. And Daddy will do his best to show you from his heart. And I will raise you up and see God's plan for your life. 'Cause I'm your daddy and I love you.
Now I'm all grown up, and soon I'll be leaving home. But you have taught me to stand strong and be the best I can.